Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing good and hope you like my previous reading on the channel. So today again we are going to check energy update between twin flames. This is going to be a collective twin flame reading, and if everything does not resonate with you, so just leave that behind. And if you really want something specific, if you want to have your personal reading, then you can always book a session with me. Okay, so let's start today's energy reading. I will start today with Romance Angels card, one of my favorite decks of card. Okay, so teammates, guides and ancestors. What is the energy between twin flames? Collective twin flames. What is your advice? Forgiving and learning. Let go of control issues. Express your love. Unrequited love. Wedding. This card came before, but I ignored it and it flew again in my hands. So what I get from this spread, these few messages, codependency is another card at the back of the shuffle deck. Forgiving and learning. As you release and heal the past, you experience more love in your present moment. Let go of control issues. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. There's not enough attraction or chemistry to keep this relationship going, and then you saw the wedding card just right after that. So first thing first, I'm picking up an intuitive message that this spread is revealing a third party situation, and in this third party situation where your twin flame is involved, your twin flame has started to understand that this relationship with the third party is a kind of relationship that has lost its attraction, charm or chemistry for them, and there is power struggle going on between the two of them. And therefore this message came that your person is already suffering from control issues, so you don't need to control him or this situation, because everything is going as it has been designed by the divine. And also for you, there is an advice that you need to forgive him or her for his or her past actions, behavior, because everything, he was also going through pain, they were also in stress, they were also trying to do their best. But if it's a third party situation, their wedding is not their marriage is not working, and this situation involves marriage. So let's check further that what, if even if it's a third party reading, let's check further that what information we can get here. I like to have Chakra Wisdom Oracle card. Let's see. All of you who haven't subscribed my channel, please feel free to subscribe it. Creation, I always call it a manifestation card, but let's see. Prayer, insecurity, balance, bittersweet, passion. I want to take three more cards. Recovery, gossip, and impatience. So before I explain the love situation between you and your twin flame, I just want to tell you that what are these colors, the frames of these cards, the borderline. Insecurity card, you and your twin flame both are having root chakra problems. You are not feeling grounded, you are feeling insecure, and you need to bring balance because both of you are feeling foggy mind, foggy thoughts. You feel confused. You need to bring balance. Bittersweet card is a blue card. So both of you go through this bittersweet situation in your love triangle because you both have communication issues, we can call. You both don't communicate, or you both have misunderstandings because of communication, because probably you don't speak much, you mostly communicate through text. Passion, you need to work on your sacral chakra. Gossip, heart chakra. And impatience, again the throat chakra. And the creation card. So spirit is trying to reveal this to you, that you need to bring balance. You are feeling so much insecure in this situation that you have created a lot of trouble for you. People are gossiping about you. It could be your just doubt or feeling, but you are quite impatient. And in this impatience card, there is a spirit guide behind this person. So your spirit guides, your own guides are communicating through me. Here is another person, in you can check another spirit guides. So prayer card, you are being asked to have good intention, to have faith that everything will work out for you in this twin flame relationship, instead of being fearful that you will be abandoned, you will have breakup, or he is not going to come back. All these negative thoughts you need to quit, because if you both are not communicating, recovery is here. You will restore the communication. You will create what you will think, and with your thinking you have manifested a lot of negative stuff for you. So you just need to change your thoughts and thinking patterns. You need to spend more time in your creative domain. I don't know why, but every day whenever I read the cards, I do get some message regarding sacral chakra, that as soon as you shift your focus away from love situation, your love life starts getting better. So now let's check the feelings of your person, what your twin flame is trying to communicate with you energetically. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do consider subscribing it. My life is not as together as it seems. I feel you even though we are apart. I want to be more than friends. I regret lying to you. I told you that there are communication problems, there are communication challenges between the two of you. And you think that this person is very much attracted to the third party. No, it's not like that. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. If he or she is in so much love with the third party, then why would anyone stay awake thinking about somebody else? I don't react when people mention you. You speak to me through music. Whenever he or she listens to music or you listens to the music of your choice, then they communicate with you. I wonder if you are happy without me. If you are not communicating with each other, then they are asking, are you happy? You and I were too young to make decisions, or when they got married, you don't know how hard it was to let you go. So, this is my reading update for you today. I hope you will like it. So, do consider subscribing my channel and do share it with your friends. And I'll upload another video very soon. Until then, bye bye.